Hello, Alfred.
Hello po.
Ready ka na?
Opo.
Pasok, please!
Akala ko po noon na buong babae yung mga kasama ko. Bigla pong pumasok si Al. So yun po, medyo naman po, nabawasan po ng konti yung nervous ko.
Pero meron pa isa akong tatawagin para makumpleto yung grupo ninyo. Come on in!
Hi po, Coach.
Hello! O bakit kayo nagulat?
Unexpected.
Unexpected.
Gusto ko po makapare sa lalaki. Kasi yung boses ko ay mababa. Tapos pumasok na po ako, yung nakita ko po, dalawang lalaki.
Two young men whose voices are starting to change, and a girl whose voice is low. With this battle round, I wanted to pick something that I think you would just enjoy. No more counting dollars. We'll be counting stars. So think, parang you guys know the song.
Yes.
Very, very well.
I see this light like a swinging bird across the heart. Wait.
Okay, keep going. Just keep going.
Mas kinakabahan po ako kay Al kasi po, nang nagpapractice po kami, nalaman ko, ay, mataas pa lang boses nito. Kailangan ko mag-ingat dito.
Here's a challenge for you. Alfred, ikaw yung una. Take that money, watch it burn, sink it in the river, the lessons I'll learn. Don't stop singing. And because I want to make patong harmonies on top of this. Isang linya kasi, galing sa kantang to, medyo dumikit sa isip ko, no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars, na parang iba yung bibilangin, hindi lang salapi, hindi lang mga bagay na material, kundi you count among blessings in your life.
Yung pong lagi ko pong nakikita yung family ko po na masaya sila.
Nakaabot po ako ng regionals Little Stars. Yung natanggap po ako sa The Voice. Kasi 4 na po na beses, hindi po ako na...
Nag-audition ka ng 4 times
Apo.
already. Tapos ngayon ka lang sinuwerte.
Apo.
Isipin nyo lang lahat ng mga magagandang nangyayari sa buhay nyo sa ngayon pa lang. When you sing this song on your battle round, this whole place is full and the cameras are on you, but just have fun with it. I need to see the three of you just enjoying it. Enjoy this. Because you all sound good. Maganda yung tunog. Alam nyo na yung ginagawa ninyo. I'm telling you, be careful where you should be careful.